बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज के जनरल नॉलेज के साथ हाजिर हैं। इससे पहले हम सवाल जवाब शुरुआत करें, आपसे गुजारिश है कि आर चैनल ओशन A&O चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल को हिट कर लें ताकि आपकी नोटिफिकेशन के ज़रिए लेटेस्ट अपडेट मिलती रहे। पहला सवाल है, ये याद रहे कि ये जो सवाल पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की मुख्तलिफ जो जॉब्स हैं उनमें पूछे जा चुके हैं जॉब टेस्ट में। नंबर 1, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज़ measured by in which meter is a ammeter. Number 2, the hardest substance available on the earth is, answer is platinum. Number 3, which game is the Aga Khan Cup associated in Pakistan, that is called hockey. हॉकी के लिए आगा खान कप खेला जाता है पाकिस्तान में। द मॉनेटरी यूनिट ऑफ बांग्लादेश इज़, या बांग्लादेश का सिक्का कौन सा है, वह है टिक्का। नंबर 5, अब्रीविएशन NAEP स्टैंड फॉर व्हाट, दैट इज़ स्टैंड फॉर नेशनल अडल्ट एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम। Number 6, the solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Solar eclipse occurs. Number 7, the Red Fort of Delhi was built by which Mughal emperor? That is, answer is Shah Jahan. Next question is, when did Vasco da Gama come to India? And it was year 1498. Next question, who invented the telephone? And the answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Next is, Albert Einstein was famous for what? Albert Einstein was famous for, as he was a physicist. Next question, in banking ATM stand for, ATM machine जिसे आप कहते हैं, ATM stand for automatic teller machine. Now next question, which of these is not a mosquito borne disease? Goiter. 3-4 ऑप्शन होंगे तो उसमें से जो goiter होगा, it will be stand true. And another abbreviations, AIDS stand for, AIDS stand for acquired immune deficiency syndrome. And another answer is, question, person with blood group are called universal donor, and the universal donor with the blood associated with blood group O. Oscar Prize is related to what? Oscar Prize is related to films from USA. The first Indian recipient of Nobel Prize in Literature is Rabindranath Tagore. Another question, the headquarters of the United Nations Union is located at what? New York. Answer is New York. Another question, the place known as the roof of the world is Tibet, China. 19, the first Secretary General of the UN was Trygve Lie. 20 question, who was the youngest president of the USA? Roosevelt was the youngest president of the USA. What is the common name for the ascorbic acid? That is called vitamin C. 22 question, the earlier name of Sri Lanka was Ceylon. 23, World Environment Day is observed on every year 5th June. The biggest desert in the world is the Sahara. The highest common peak in the world is the Mount Everest. The founder of USA was George Washington. WHO, World Health Organization, is located at Geneva. Adolf Hitler was born in Austria. How many times Kalma Tayyiba is mentioned in Quran only 2 times. How many times namaz commanded in Quran? 700 times. How many total number of mukhat mentioned in Quran? That is 29 times. And Surah Rahman is also known as beauty of Quran. How many mosques mentioned in the Holy Quran? Only 4 mosques mentioned in the Quran. Jannat Maula Baki is a graveyard in Makkah. Eid Namaz is a wajib namaz, and the Battle of Badr was fought in very first of Ramzan on 17th. How many companions were with Prophet in migration to Medina? There were 45. Transfer of Qibla was ordered in 2nd Hijri. First foster mother was Sovia, who was mother of Hamza. Social boycott of Banu Hashim took place in 7th Nabwi. First azan was called out in 1st Hijri. Cave of Sor is located near Bakka, that is 5 miles away. Bilal called first azan of Fajr prayer. How many ahadith collected by Imam Bukhari? About 6 lakh. Al-Mu'mineen died last was Salma. Battle of Tabuk was fought in 9 Hijri. Who added second azan for Friday prayer? Hazrat Usman. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani is buried at Baghdad. Asif Ali Zardari is President of Pakistan, 12th President. Yusuf Raza Gilani took oath on 2008, 25th March on 2008 as Prime Minister of Pakistan. Who is the Chief Minister of Balochistan? It was last 2017 question. Fatullah Mangal, at that time he was a Chief Minister of Balochistan. Kotli is a district of which area? AJK, Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Ahmed Shah Abdali defeated Marathas in 1761. Battle of Palasi was fought in 1757. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded Brahma Samaj. Hindi-Urdu controversy started in 1867. Muslim League founded on 30 December 1906 at the city Dhaka. Communal Award published in 1932. Cabinet mission consisted of members 8. The only Vice President of Pakistan, Mr. Nur Al-Amin. First postal stamp of Kaswa was issued in 1948. Third martial law imposed on July 1977. It was July's 5th date. In September 1958, Gwadar was bought by Khan of Kalat at 40 lakhs pound from Sultanate Oman. Ayub transferred capital from Karachi to Islamabad on 1st August 1960. Which country was first to recognize Pakistan? That is Iran. Barrage built on Indus. टोटल कितने बराज दरिया सिंध पे बिल्टेड हैं? 8 बराज हैं. Tomb of Babur is situated in Kabul. Where is the famous Eiffel Tower located? That is in France. Who is IG Punjab Police 2019? Captain retired Arif Nawaz Khan. FIR stand for First Information Report. The hunter ran after his. Complete this sentence. It's prey. He was stealing. He was guilty stealing for. He was born space a rich family in rich family. Aslam in 1990 died. याद रहे ये जो स्पेसेस वाले क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं ये ऑप्शंस गिवन है उसमें से बेस्ट सेलेक्ट करके तो किए गए हैं. तो यहाँ पे चूँकि स्पेस का इशू होता है इसलिए यहाँ पे उनका जिक्र नहीं है, बाकी जो डिस्ट्रैक्टर्स होते हैं। 70 men construct 150-meter long wall in 12 days. So, as how many persons construct 600-meter long wall in 30 days? Mathematical ability का टेस्ट है। The true answer is 112 days. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1, then find the value of 10xy plus 6yz minus 7zx. The answer is 51. Monthly income of person is 6,500. Find income tax at the rate of 5%. It becomes result is 3,900. Find value of a plus b if a is equal to 2 over 4 and b is equal to 2 over 4. The answer is 1. War and Peace is written by Tolstoy. Pakistan became UN member on 1947, 30th September. Who wrote Sulh Hudaybiyah? Hazrat Ali. Author of Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained was John Milton. Miratul Ulus is a novel of Maulvi Nazir Ahmed. आंधी किसका अफसाना है? गुलाम अब्बास का। Faiz Ahmad Faiz honored with Lenin Peace Prize in 1962. Haramzadi is the afsana of Hassan Askari. Which vitamin is not stored in human body? That is vitamin C. Milk contains water, that is 80%. Anarkali is written by Imtiaz Ali Taj. 1 kb is equal to 1024 1024 bytes. In GW basic, GW stand for gateway. War of Independence was fought in 1857. Objective resolution was passed in 1948 on March 12th. Nicosia is the capital city of Cyprus. What is the currency of Fiji? That is dollar. Hayate Javed is written by Maulana Hali. Dmitry Medvedev is the president of Russia. Shahnama is written by Firdausi. Odyssey, Greek, is written by Homer. Which is the smallest ocean of the world? That's Arctic. Thank you for watching general knowledge series of Arch and Ocean. Kindly सब्सक्राइब कर लें, दूसरों तक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़।